This is Lunta Di La Paulo with Yetu Accounting and Tax LLC, and I am excited to be connecting with you tonight because I want to share with all small businesses across this amazing city of Chicago, the state of Illinois, and this wonderful nation. And if you're outside of the United States, these can benefit you as well. So, welcome tonight. And the topic that I want to share with you is about the value of having a small business accounting system in place, the value of having a good bookkeeping system in place. So let me share with you what I often see with a lot of small businesses. They go throughout the entire year without thinking seriously about their bookkeeping, their taxes or anything. They just go provide service, get paid, and spend money on expenses to keep the business going. And when they reach to December, January, February, or whenever they're starting to think about filing the taxes, they start finding the 1099 if they're independent contractors, self-employed, or gig workers, or all the receipts for income and all the invoices for bills and payments and expenses, and based on that they determine how much they can claim as income and deduct as expenses for the business to pay their taxes. So you can ask me, what's the problem with that? Okay, the problem with that is that you're leaving on the table deductions you could ethically, legally, and morally deduct that could reduce your taxes and you wouldn't have to overpay taxes. It's estimated that 95% of small businesses, self-employed individuals, gig worker, freelancers overpay their taxes, while the multimillionaires pay less taxes than the average American. So just think about that for a second. And this is exactly one of the big problems where small businesses fail to take advantage of this. They do not have a good bookkeeping system in place. They miserably fail to capture every transaction in their business, in their operation, every expense, every income item. And these are the key component by which you're taxed on. So my advice to small businesses, self-employed individuals is make sure you have the right bookkeeping system in place. If you don't understand accounting, if accounting just sounds like a foreign language to you, it's okay. The most important thing is you don't have to actually go through this alone or by yourself. You can find an accountant, a bookkeeper near you that understands accounting, that can help you with maintaining, keeping your books, doing the reconciliation, keeping track of all of your expenses and categorizing them in the proper and correct accounts, can prove your cash and advise you ideally, into areas that you can capitalize on for the tax planning side as well. So that's my recommendation to you. Please do not miss out to the opportunities available to you. Do not overpay taxes while people who have billions of money do everything in their power to reduce their taxes. The tax law is quote unquote fair, and you pay exactly what you believe it's fair for you. And a lot of large corporations and companies can afford bringing on board armies of professionals, lawyers, accountants, CPAs, and so forth to help them find these details, these rules, these put in place system that allows them to capture the information they can claim as deductions, as credits, possibly exemptions, and so forth. And I understand you may not have a lot of money to spend on an army of people to help you do exactly the same. If you don't understand accounting, find affordable solutions available to you. You can find bookkeepers at any price range. right? And if you can't find one, call us, call our firm. We'll work with you irrespective of the budget you have. We want your business to succeed and do well. So feel free to reach us out, and we look forward to connecting with you. See ya.